My name is Anaïs Bizvan. If I'm here today is to show you my project. One day I asked myself why old people are obliged to go into a retirement home without having the right to express their opinion, just because their family are more assured to know them in a retirement home. I asked myself about the human right. Joking apart, according to Hobbes, 18% of old people want to remain at home as possible. Why? Because they grow old, they have no longer the right to express their opinion. That's a question will make me think. So I have developed a project, an actual project. It was important for me to respond to this real demand. The aim of this new project is to develop a tool that facilitates the daily of old people. The power of my concept lies into the offer of my product, because this project responds to a real demand. I'm not trying to create a need, I just want to answer to a need in the society. The second power of my concept is that the target of my product are old people, which are numerous today after the baby boom. Now I'm going to present you my offer. That makes a moment that I search the ideal tool to reassure the family of elders and to permit to old people to remain living at their home as possible. So I have developed a connected watch centered on the health. To create this product, I thought about each function to respond to each user need. So my watch offers to the user a number of functions, such as a function to inform the medical information of the user like his allergy, blood group, to facilitate the work of emergency. They can also plan an alarm signal for don't forget their medicine appointments. My product offers also the geolocalization and the direct call towards the emergency when the user had a bad heart pulsation to reassure at best his family. My company makes money when a connected watch is sold and when watch bands customizable are sold. The watch bands are a means for our customers to be able to customize their connected watch according to their desires, and for my company, it's a means to assure cash inflow opportunities with our client after the sale of our product. Now, my company. I have an accurate vision of my company. I wish to develop the market of the company by offering the offer to a new target. These targets are people reached by a disease. My research team will therefore work on this project until its commercialization. This project will be developed within 1 year. I would also develop the function of the current watch to improve our services. The goal is to develop our offer and our target to become the leader of the market, but also to achieve the 15% of share market. The value of my company are the respect of the environment, an offer of quality product, and the constant innovation. The purpose of my company is to mobilize the creativity and the team cohesion by working together in the same project, and to motivate the team by organizing a meeting every end of the week. So the employees are in good condition to be in constant innovation to reach the goal of the vision described previously. My strategy is to group all the needs of the target in one product. By following a penetration strategy, my goal is to differentiate my product from the competitors by offering an innovative product at an affordable price. It's possible because certain mutuals support the product like Pasteur Group. Furthermore, my product benefits from a tax reduction of 15% because it is considered as a personal services. This project is a promising product. I'm not making this up. It's written in black and white on this market study. Each of you have a copy of it in front of him, so you can take a look at this. We plan sales equal to 300, 1,000 and 500. If you invest in my company, you make a good investment because the target of my product is important, with an increase of seniors who cares more about their health. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, and thank you for your attention.